Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese enchiladas in the oven. First, gather all your ingredients including corn or flour tortillas, your preferred cheese, and a can of red or green enchilada sauce. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Shred approximately 2 cups of cheese, such as Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend, to ensure it melts perfectly. Now let's assemble these tasty treats. Lightly warm your tortillas in the microwave for about 15 seconds to make them pliable and prevent tearing. Dip each tortilla completely into the enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Place a generous amount, roughly 1/4 cup, of your shredded cheese down the center of each tortilla before rolling it up tightly. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, arrange them neatly, seam side down, in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top, making sure every enchilada is covered. For an extra cheesy finish, sprinkle an additional 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over the entire dish. This creates a beautiful golden crust. Bake your enchiladas in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the enchiladas to set, making them easier to serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado, and enjoy your easy, homemade cheese enchiladas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.